So this is a really interesting new device from Peacher. It is a beer foamer designed to give your beer the perfect head every single time you use it. Now, giving your beer the perfect head every time is awesome because it releases the aroma of your beer and it adds to the flavor and makes the beer smoother to drink and just overall brings the most out of the beer. The perfect gift for any beer enthusiast is very easy to install and remove, and now I'll show you how to do that. Flip it over on the bottom and find the small groove pointing out to where the beer flows through. Now, align your beer so that the groove is facing where the opening is and the back is aligned accordingly. Start by clipping it on the back. You won't hear a sound, just make sure it fits snug, and then push down on the front until you hear a click. Now to remove it, you're going to want to hold the front of the Peacher and pull up and back. Very simple. And both glasses were poured without the Peacher, and you can see the head is starting to disappear, and so now we're going to see why the Peacher is such a great product. First, start from the back, push it down to the front, turn the power button on, and tilt it until you see the blinking light. Now you'll see how the head is completely returned, and the glass without the Peacher has no head whatsoever. So as you can tell, the beer that we just poured with the Peacher has a much fuller head. Now I'm gonna smell them both. Give them a little taste test. Wow. Now that is a good beer.